Our video today, we're going to explain and show you how to adjust the tension on a Foster 58 or a Gills 500C type pull-more clutch. Now, basically, one of the first things we need to have the proper kind of a tool to go into the adjusting slot to be able to adjust the clutch. And what we use here is we use a flat screwdriver that has the right shape of an end and width that will fit inside of the adjusting slot in here. And you see here that this one here is exactly the right width to be able to fit that slot in there. Now the idea of this is in here we have these pivot dogs that need to travel up this ramp. As the dogs travel up the ramp, we add tension to this plate which pushes against our clutch plates in here. Now, one of the things that makes this easier, a lot of times this slot is not facing you through the access window in here, and it can be on the opposite side or on the top or the bottom. Now, in order to be able to get that to move to that position, you'll need to get a pry bar of some sort to be able to get in there and rotate from this position right in here to rotate the clutch. Now, sometimes it may be necessary to actually bring the clutch over to this side in order to get it to move together. You can see how that will move that slot. Now, in order to be able to easily access that point, it's easier if the shifter has been shifted over to the opposite side that we're trying to adjust. Now what we're going to do is we're going to install that screwdriver in that slot, and we're going to start shifting that upward. And then we're going to go ahead and check the tension against the shifter shaft. And what we wanted to do is we wanted it to snap in and hold with a certain amount of tension. Now when we switch over to the other end of the clutch, we're going to switch it over. We're going to line it up same way as we did the other side. We need to get the slot opening available to us. Now, as you saw before, in order to adjust the one end, you go up. To adjust the other end, we go down, because it's opposite rotations. And that is properly adjusted.